Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today there are two breaking stories for Crypto.com that I need to share with you. They are doing it. They are expanding. They are partnering with more and more people, and they're getting into Asia in a big way with this big announcement we're going to talk about in this video. And we see more of the Crypto.com executive team joining different councils, different boards across the globe, getting in there and establishing more partnerships and more solutions where they can start to plug into corporate entities and really get crypto adoption coming and be at the forefront of that. It's very, very exciting, guys. More bullish than ever on crypto and crypto.com. Of course, in the short term, we've talked a little bit about the Fed rate hikes. Check out my video from earlier today on the Fed rate hikes and Federal Chair Jerome Powell's comments and what we can expect there. But let's talk about CRO in this one and what is going on, guys. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and let's hop right in. Today, Bitcoin's going up. I think there's some excitement. I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a downward move still, just on some of the fear of the potential future rate hikes. But that being said, the more likely scenario is that we go up a little bit on some excitement here and then kind of see what happens in August and September. So we might get back above $30,000 for Bitcoin here. Who knows, maybe go higher, but I think we kind of get up to 30, maybe 32 best case scenario this month, and then we kind of dip back down potentially in August, September for more accumulation opportunities. As for CRO coin, I think we're looking at something similar to Bitcoin, 5.9 cents right now for the price. It is up 1.36%, which is honestly surprising to me. I'm just surprised it's not getting a little more momentum today on news like this. Chris Marsliak, the CEO of Crypto.com today, came out and said he is thrilled to partner with Lion Global, giving 200 million users across Asia easier access to crypto. And then he retweeted a post, a tweet from Crypto.com and their announcement of this partnership. Well, let's look into this and what it's all about. So Crypto.com partners with Lion Genesis to drive crypto adoption into APAC. What's this and how significant is this? Well, they go on to say, you know, clearly we know Crypto.com has 80 million users. Well, now they have access to another 200 million monthly active users for Line Genesis, which is a messaging app. They are a very large messaging app in Asia right now with 200 million users, and they're trying to expand. And now they have a partnership with Crypto.com. To the initial focus on the collaboration will be to enhance Line's licensed crypto offerings within Japan, while also setting a foundation for Crypto.com. And this is a strategy that we've seen from Crypto.com over and over again, where they partner up with a company and then that company has the proper licensing that they need, and Crypto.com has the technology needed to offer crypto offerings. That's what's going on here, and this is very, very good to see. Now, the goal here would be to grow both these entities and kind of grow with across the Asian market. Here's a quote from Eric Anazazi, the president and chief operating officer of Crypto.com. We are excited to partner with such an established, innovative brand in the APAC market and the leader in blockchain technology development in Japan. Enabling real-world utility is critical in our mission of mainstreaming crypto, which is Crypto.com's mission, and getting more users. Through collaboration with Line Genesis, we facilitate this utility by leveraging our respective expertise with highly tech-savvy base throughout the APAC region. APAC and Japan have significant potential growth for crypto with high levels of interest and adoption already in place. And so this is what they're looking at, and this is a very strategic partnership, and this is very, very exciting for both companies. And even the CEO of Line Genesis said this comment about Crypto.com, which is great to see. We're excited to see that our synergies created by our partnership with Crypto.com, which has more than 80 million enthusiastic users worldwide, with Line Genesis blockchain in Japan. They're excited and they're acknowledging Crypto.com here. So this is what we get, two benefits to both of these companies. And now the second story for the day is Jason Lau, the Chief Information Security Officer, has been appointed to the prestigious ISACA News Board of Directors. Now, this isn't absolutely huge, but it is another great story for Crypto.com. Now, recently, we did see that a teammate from Crypto.com was appointed to a council for the CFTC, where they're going to have a say in essentially the legislation that's coming down in the USA when it comes to crypto regulation. That's exciting. And now we have this Jason Lau, Chief Information Security Officer, getting appointed to this new position. Well, what is this about? Crypto.com always putting out these great write-ups explaining what the significance of this is and what's going on. Well, what is ISACA? It is a global community advancing individuals and organizations in their pursuit of digital trust, and its board of directors is comprised of executive leaders from technology and business functions. Been around for 50 years. Let's look more into this. But first, let's see what the CEO of Crypto.com said. Crypto.com is a brand that strives to be synonymous with trust, and Jason's leadership has enabled us to do that. Jason's appointment to the ISACA board of directors is a testament to his achievements and his commitment to establishing and sharing best practices and privacy and safety and security within crypto. That is very, very good to see from Crypto.com getting on another board. Well, if you look into this, there's 170,000 members, there's 225 chapters worldwide, and they're in 188 countries. And so out of the gates, you can say, all right, this is professional, this is tech, this is enterprise-based, this is in 188 countries. We know that Crypto.com is focused on security and IT and privacy. This is a good thing for Crypto.com to be on this board to help push the crypto narrative throughout these types of industries, through IT professionals across the globe, to get crypto adoption in a safe way and in a fast-growing way as well. This is pretty cool to see, guys. And you look into a little bit more about what's going on with the price action on Crypto.com. You know, there's not a lot of movement going on right now. It's a little bit down on the day. I think it's just some fear, some volatility around this FOMC meeting that just happened and the Fed rate hike that was decided. But we are still waiting to see how Crypto.com is going to perform versus Bitcoin to end this week. Right now, it looks like we're trying to form a bottom. Solana is really doing a great job fighting against Bitcoin right now, moving on up. And as for Binance, it looks like it's forming a bottom versus Bitcoin too. So likely, guys, if Bitcoin stays flat or goes up, I would expect altcoins to continue to go up as well. Now, if Bitcoin goes down, I'll say this. There is a chance that altcoins kind of stay afloat while Bitcoin goes down. But I think the more likely scenario is that if Bitcoin does come down with fear of the future rate hikes or just from a bearish August and September that might be coming, I would still expect CRO to potentially go down a little bit. Maybe not versus Bitcoin, but certainly in the US dollar price range, I would expect us to kind of come back down to maybe these lows. But we'll have to see how that plays out, folks. We will have to see how it plays out. This is good news for Crypto.com. You'd love to see it rally against Bitcoin right now, but it's just not time yet for Crypto.com to go to the moon. I believe in the dollar CRO coin. I believe in a $2 to $5 CRO coin in the next bull market. Do you? Are you excited about these partnerships? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. That is all I got for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.